Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question if a hot tub, jacuzzi or spa needs different chemicals than in a normal pool. I've already made a video some time ago about these chemicals in hot tub, and because of COVID-19 and people spending more time at home enjoying their own spa, this video picked up quite a bit, but it had some minor errors and some things I did not explain. A lot of people have been asking me, so here's a little bit more about that. So first we have to know that when it comes to chemicals, there are three disadvantages and one advantage compared to normal pools when it comes to hot tub chemicals maintenance. So the three disadvantages are: first, not only you will enjoy the hot water, but also bacteria will love it. And second, the cover is needed against dirt, and especially to keep the water hot, because the heaters in a hot tub are usually much weaker than pool heaters. And with the cover it's difficult to evaporate bad chemicals, and there's no UV from the sun to keep the bad stuff, for example bacteria, on a low level. And third thing is, already 2 sweating people in a 200-gallon hot tub, which is standard, is about the same as 100 sweating people in an average size pool. Think about that, that's crazy. But it has also one advantage: if chemicals are totally out of balance, just dump all the water, clean the hot tub, let it dry, and fill it with fresh water. Yeah, by the way, there are of course specific sets from manufacturers for hot tub maintenance, usually also chlorine tabs for floaters, just everything a little bit smaller than for normal pools, but these things never worked for me. Usually chlorine level was too low at the beginning and too high at the end, no matter what I did. So I decided to develop my own strategy, which then worked perfectly at the very end. So here, back to my daily routine, I'm just adding 3 times a 2.5 milliliters measuring spoonful of granular shock. Yeah, that's then about in total 7.5 milliliters of granular shock. I mean, yeah, it's not really milliliters, but we can really measure it with milliliter measuring spoon. So it's not grams or something like that, it's really milliliters. But grams, I mean, this specific weight is a little bit heavier, so it sinks down in the water, but we can really measure this with these milliliter measuring spoons. And this is really regardless of the chlorine level. Free chlorine will be low anyway every day in the morning with this routine, with this shock. Apart from that, I'm only checking the pH value and adjust it in 99% of the cases. I adjust it to lower. You can see the bottle which I have in the back. All other chemicals I ignore because they are, or first thing, it's not so important. Second thing, it's hard to impossible to correct, and hence I prefer to dump the water every 2 to 3 months, clean and let the hot tub dry, and then refill with fresh water. That's something which you can't do with a normal pool. Hope this helps. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.